Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a fascinating journey through time and history as we explore the 1921 one-penny coin, a small piece of copper that tells a big story. In this video, we will delve into the significance, design, and historical context of the 1921 one-penny coin. Join us as we unravel the secrets of this remarkable numismatic treasure. Our story begins in the early 20th century, during the aftermath of World War I. It was a time of significant economic and social change. In 1921, the British Royal Mint produced a new version of the one-penny coin. Let's take a closer look at the design and features of the 1921 one-penny coin. The obverse features the portrait of King George V, who ruled from 1910 to Britannia, is holding a trident, shield, and olive branch. The intricate details of this design make the coin a true work of art. The 1921 one-penny was made of bronze, consisting of 95.5% copper and 4.5% tin. This composition gives the coin its distinctive reddish-brown color and made it a valuable piece in its own right, especially as copper coins were being phased out. To understand the significance of the 1921 one-penny, we must consider the historical context. The aftermath of World War I and the economic challenges of the time led to an increased demand for smaller denomination coins. The one-penny was essential for everyday transactions, making this coin a vital part of daily life in the early 1920s. The 1921 one-penny coin is known for its rarity and scarcity. Due to economic hardships and the need for copper during World War II, many coins were melted down, making the 1921 one-penny a sought-after collector's item. This rarity has contributed to its enduring value. Like many coins, the 1921 one-penny has its variations and errors. Some coins may have minor imperfections or differences in the striking, adding to their appeal for collectors. From double strikes to die cracks, these variations make each coin unique. Collecting and investing in numismatics has been a passion for many. The 1921 one-penny is highly coveted by collectors, and its value has continued to appreciate over the years. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting, this coin offers a fascinating entry point into the world of numismatics. If you're fortunate enough to own a 1921 one-penny coin or plan to acquire one, proper preservation and care are essential. Store your coin in a protective capsule to prevent scratches and oxidation. Avoid cleaning the coin, as it can damage the surface and reduce its value. Over the years, some 1921 one-penny coins have fetched remarkable prices at auctions and private sales. These transactions have become legendary in the world of coin collecting, highlighting the allure and prestige of this unique piece of history. In conclusion, the 1921 one-penny coin is more than just a piece of currency. It's a historical artifact, a work of art, and a collector's dream. Its rarity, design, and the story it tells make it a timeless treasure for numismatists and history enthusiasts alike. As you explore the world of coins, may this small copper piece continue to captivate your imagination and connect you to a bygone era. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history of the 1921 one-penny. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more captivating stories about the world of numismatics. Until next time, happy collecting!